Alright, so here's a few of my projects. The start of the upcoming week. I've got some kind of, I guess you'd call them hallway shelves, under the window shelves. Those are a little taller benches. They sit 24 inches. These guys over here, I really like the top. I got a 2-inch top with a burnt edge and a stain on top, giving it this really cool two-tone look. And then I forget what the color of that stain was, but a couple benches. They're 32 wide by 18 tall. This one here is 16 wide, I believe, by 18 inches tall. And these other two projects, I'll burn the edges and stain them up, but I got them up here so they can dry out a little bit. And I got a few of my projects from last week, and got a bunch of my plank seats. Came out pretty cool. I have a 2 foot, 3 foot, and 4 foot. I have 3 sets of the brown and 1 set of the darker one. I forget what the stain was. Got a pile of them here. Here's a few of my shelves from the week before. I got 2 6-footers, a 6'6", and a 4 foot here. Built a couple corner shelves. They're lagged in 16 on center. One hangs over the top and the other one hangs below. These are about 36 inches wide. And last week's projects, I built these planter boxes. I have 2 of them at 30 inches tall, 36 wide, and they're about 18 inches front to back with 10 inches deep, sealed on the inside. All the frame was out of our wood we cut off the property. I cut it down, planed it, and sealed it with a black stain. But I got these small planter boxes I threw in there that I think they stand about 10 inches tall, 16 front to back, and 36 wide. The inside was about 6 inches deep. But let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.